Steggy and Rexy, start your engines! 3, 2, 1, go! Oh look, is that a flower? It is a flower! Slow down, Steggy! That was close. Uh-oh, Rexy looks frustrated! Steggy stopped to smell the flower. Is Rexy going to smell the flower too? I did not see that coming. He's flipped for that flower.